RVA Today, sponsored by the Virginia Community College System.
Welcome back to RVA Today. I'm your host, Naomi Brockett, and today's sponsor is the Virginia Community Colleges System. And it's such a thrill to be joined by the Chancellor of the Virginia Community College System, Dr. Dore. Welcome.
Thank you, Naomi.
Today we want to talk about the process of transferring from a community college to a four-year institution.
We've done a lot of work statewide to make sure that we have a seamless transfer experience to Virginia's public and private universities. So our students can have if they have a certain GPA, they can have guaranteed transfer to over 30 universities in Virginia.
That's huge to have that guarantee right out of a
Yes.
2-year. Walk me through quickly what you think that process might look like for a student.
They'll work with their advisor, and they will basically design a curriculum that will put them on their baccalaureate 4-year path, and then they'll take their first 2 years, and then they'll seamlessly graduate from our college and be a junior at the 4-year institution.
Phenomenal. If that's something you're interested in doing, you can find out more information by going to findyouranswer.com. Thank you so much, Dr. Dore, for being with us to share that information. And thank you for watching RVA Today. We'll see you next time.